Okay.
Is it running?
It's running. Alright. So, we're making Snickerdoodle cookies.
Yeah.
Let's see, we can turn this around here a little bit. How's that look?
Oh, that looks pretty good.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Hey, we're not professional anything other than professional eaters. So I got 2 sticks of butter in there. And I've been fluffing it. 1.5 cups of sugar. Fluffy, not stuffy. And I have all my other stuff. You can't see it. It's sitting here though. I have vanilla. I have my salt. I have 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 eggs, and I think it's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, Mike, we're gonna need you to get, what's the recipe say here? 2 and 3/4 of flour. 2 and 3/4 cups. So here's this.
So there's 1 cup.
1 cup.
So it'll be 2 cups.
And then 3/4. So yeah, that's a 1/2 cup.
Oh, okay.
And this is 1/4 cup.
Okay.
So go ahead and get me the 3/4 cup first. Get me these first.
Oh, these 2?
Yeah, give me those 2 first.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my eggs in one at a time. And you notice how I've got all this stuff all prepped. To have a really good moment in the kitchen is things should be prepped. 1/4, 1/2. So I need one of those and one of those. Yeah. I don't know if they can see this. I'll squish them up here a little bit more. Oh, that's really loose. There we go. Alright. It's nice and fluffy. Let the machine do the work. All done. Now let me have those, and you can go ahead and get the 1 cupper done up. Yeah, I need 2 of those.
2 cups of flour?
Yep. Now, you always have to scrape your bowl. So I say get a good scraper for it. I got this one up in Sawyer, Michigan at the Sawyer Farm and Garden or whatever. That's kind of cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so
How many cups?
we're gonna need 2 of those. So we're gonna put this in. Then we're gonna pour in our stuff there.
Okay.
We're gonna pour this in.
Okay. And another cup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Gotcha.
Vanilla is so good. 1 teaspoon. I've been baking for 60 plus years almost, so I really don't need to measure vanilla. Whoa! And that's what happens when you have no control over your mixer. Woo, I got flour everywhere. Okay, while we wait for our last cups. I'm not gonna do these all together until I get my last cup. All right, thank you. Nice and leveled off.
Yada, yada.
Yep, I'm gonna set this here because I'm gonna use it for the next set of cookies. Okay,
Oh, this knife and everything.
maybe. I don't. It's on this other page. Vanilla cookie dough. Oh, I need confectioner sugar. That might not be the cookie I do. Oh, look at these lovely doodles. Now, if you wanted to, you can actually put lemon in here and make lemon doodles.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a nice dough.
Yeah.
Forms up nice. Not sticky. All right. Mike is so ready. Are you ready for your Snickerdoodles? Now he's in charge of making the Snickerdoodles, rolling them, putting them in the oven. Because if you're going to eat around here, you have to get your hands into it, don't you? And sometimes you just have to get your fingers into cleaning off this beater. Because I'm going to go right from this to another cookies. Well, as soon as I find them. Okay. So you're going to need a bowl.
A bowl?
Mm-hmm. For your cookie dough.
It's underneath you.
The bowls?
Yeah, aren't they?
No.
Glass ones?
Down there.
At the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, just a little one will be good.
Okay.
Oh, that's some good dough. Since we closed our bakery last year, Mike has not had Snickerdoodles.
Been a long time.
It has been. All right. I think that's just fine, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead and stop this.